Ever wondered how Honda started its journey to become a global automotive giant? It all began in the land of the rising sun, Japan, in the year 1948. The visionary behind this venture was none other than Soichiro Honda, a man with an insatiable appetite for innovation. Honda's journey didn't start with cars though. No, it started with something much smaller: bicycle motors. These compact powerhouses were just the beginning of a legacy that would shape the world of transportation. Soon, Honda's focus shifted to something a bit more thrilling: motorcycles. With a combination of innovative design and superior engineering, Honda quickly climbed the ranks, and by 1964, it was recognized as the world's largest motorcycle manufacturer. But Honda wasn't done yet. The company was just revving up for the journey ahead. From humble beginnings, Honda paved its way to success, laying a strong foundation for a future filled with innovation and excellence. Over the years, Honda has given us some legendary models, but what makes them so special? Let's take a look at some of these icons. The Honda Civic, for instance, is a name that resonates with car enthusiasts worldwide. Its reliability and performance, combined with its affordability, have made it a favorite among many. Then there's the Honda Accord, a model that embodies the perfect blend of luxury and practicality. It's a car that's built to last, delivering consistent performance year after year. And who can forget the Honda CR-V? With its versatile design and unparalleled comfort, it's a model that has redefined the concept of a compact SUV. These models aren't just cars, they're symbols of Honda's commitment to quality and innovation. They're loved for their enduring performance, their exceptional reliability, and their affordability that defies their high-quality build. These iconic models not only defined Honda's legacy, but also shaped the global automobile industry. Innovation is a core value at Honda. What are the new technologies Honda is pioneering? Well, Honda has been making strides in hybrid technology, with models like the Honda Insight leading the charge. With its innovative two-motor hybrid system, the Insight is a testament to Honda's commitment to a greener future. But Honda's vision extends beyond hybrids. They're also dipping their toes into the world of self-driving technology. Their goal? To make your commute safer and more comfortable. Imagine a future where your car can navigate traffic while you sit back and enjoy the ride. And let's not forget about electric cars. Honda isn't just exploring this avenue. They're planning to electrify 2/3 of their global automobile sales by the year 2030. They're not just dreaming of a sustainable future, they're actively creating it. With its eyes on the future, Honda continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in automotive technology. Design is more than just aesthetics, it's about functionality and identity. How has Honda's design evolved over the years? Honda's design aesthetic has undergone a significant evolution since its early years. Initially, the focus was on simplicity and functionality, creating reliable vehicles that were accessible to the masses. Over time, the aesthetic transitioned into a more refined, sleek, and modern look. This evolution isn't just about keeping up with trends, but a reflection of Honda's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. Each new model is a symbol of progress, a testament to Honda's relentless pursuit of excellence. From the compact and efficient Civic to the robust and versatile CR-V, Honda's design evolution tells a story of its values. It's about creating cars that are not just means of transportation, but extensions of the driver's lifestyle and personality. Through its design evolution, Honda continues to redefine what it means to be a modern automobile.